Here is a beginner-level e-commerce manager quiz that covers e-commerce customer support and self-service, compliance and legal regulations, and AI and personalization strategy. Let's go. Question 1. Which of the following is a key role of customer support in e-commerce? A. Managing warehouse inventory. B. Assisting customers with inquiries, returns, and complaints. C. Optimizing product listings for SEO. And D. Setting up social media ads. Answer: assisting customers with inquiries, returns, and complaints. Question 2. What is the benefit of self-service options in e-commerce customer support? A. It reduces the number of customer inquiries by providing answers online. B. It requires customers to call for every issue. C. It increases manual workload for customer service teams. And D. It eliminates the need for FAQs and chatbots. Answer: it reduces the number of customer inquiries by providing answers online. Question 3. Which feature is commonly used for self-service support? A. Live chat with agents. B. Product pricing tools. C. FAQ pages and knowledge bases. And D. Video advertisements. Answer: FAQ pages and knowledge bases. Question 4. How do AI chatbots improve e-commerce customer support? A. They replace all human agents. B. They only work during business hours. C. They require customers to submit paper forms. And D. They provide instant responses to common customer queries. Answer: they provide instant responses to common customer queries. Question 5. Which of these is a legal requirement for e-commerce businesses in many countries? A. Offering free shipping on all orders. B. Displaying clear terms and conditions, refund policies and privacy policies. C. Providing unlimited discounts to customers. And D. Running ads on social media. Answer: displaying clear terms and conditions, refund policies and privacy policies. Question 6. Which regulation focuses on protecting customer data privacy in e-commerce? A. GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation. B. HTML Guidelines. C. AI Usage Policy. And D. UX Design Rules. Answer: GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation. Question 7. What is PCI-DSS compliance related to in e-commerce? A. Customer review management. B. Product pricing and discount management. C. Shipping policies for international orders. And D. Data protection and secure payment transactions. Answer: data protection and secure payment transactions. Question 8. Why is a clear return and refund policy important for e-commerce compliance? A. It reduces customer trust in the business. B. It helps prevent chargebacks and legal disputes. C. It forces customers to keep their purchases. And D. It only applies to subscription-based services. Answer: it helps prevent chargebacks and legal disputes. Question 9. Which of the following is required for legal email marketing? A. Obtaining customer consent before sending promotional emails. B. Sending emails without an unsubscribe option. C. Collecting personal data without permission. And D. Sending unlimited emails daily. Obtaining customer consent before sending promotional emails. Question 10. How does AI improve product personalization in e-commerce? A. By providing generic product recommendations to all users. B. By analyzing customer data to suggest relevant products. C. By removing product reviews from the website. And D. By limiting users' access to multiple products. Answer: by analyzing customer data to suggest relevant products. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. Which AI-driven feature enhances customer shopping experiences? A. Static product listings with no updates. B. Lengthy checkout processes. C. Predictive search and personalized recommendations. And D. A manual customer support system. Answer: predictive search and personalized recommendations. Question 12. What is the role of AI in pricing optimization? A. Adjusting product prices dynamically based on demand and competition. B. Keeping prices constant regardless of trends. C. Removing discounts permanently. And D. Manually updating all product prices. Answer: adjusting product prices dynamically based on demand and competition. Question 13. Which AI technology helps reduce cart abandonment? A. Blocking returning customers. B. Increasing checkout steps. C. Hiding shipping fees until payment. And D. Automated follow-up emails with personalized offers. Answer: automated follow-up emails with personalized offers. Question 14. Which technology improves visual search in e-commerce? A. Manual category browsing. B. Plain text-based search only. C. AI-powered image recognition. And D. Slow website loading speed. Answer: AI-powered image recognition. Question 15. What is the primary benefit of AI-driven customer segmentation? A. Sending the same offer to all customers. B. Grouping customers based on behavior for targeted marketing. C. Avoiding personalized marketing efforts. And D. Ignoring customer preferences. Answer: grouping customers based on behavior for targeted marketing. Question 16. Which AI-powered tool helps optimize e-commerce content? A. Automated A/B testing for product descriptions and images. B. Manual changes based on guesswork. C. Random price adjustments. And D. Removing all product descriptions. Answer: automated A/B testing for product descriptions and images. Question 17. How does AI reduce return rates in e-commerce? A. By charging extra for return requests. B. By restricting returns for all products. C. By removing return policies from the website. And D. By providing accurate size recommendations and detailed product descriptions. providing accurate size recommendations and detailed product descriptions. Question 18. Which AI-powered feature helps customers discover products faster? A. Hidden product categories. B. Lengthy product descriptions without filters. C. Chatbots and virtual shopping assistants. And D. Limited search options. Answer: Chatbots and virtual shopping assistants. Question 19. What is the main challenge of AI in e-commerce? A. High cost of implementation and data privacy concerns. B. Lower customer engagement. C. Reducing product quality. And D. Removing customer data from systems. Answer: high cost of implementation and data privacy concerns. Question 20. Which of the following is an ethical concern in AI-powered e-commerce? A. Removing product descriptions. B. Collecting and using customer data responsibly. C. Avoiding automated customer support. And D. Increasing checkout steps. Answer: collecting and using customer data responsibly. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.